Can you do us a big favor? You're going to receive an email survey from Allstate. It would be a big help for our agency if you were to take just a few moments to fill it out for us. You'll be doing a great service by completing the customer satisfaction survey for us. Allstate wants to know that you're treated with respect from our agency and that our office has provided you with prompt and professional service over the phone. They also want to make sure that we answered all of your questions accurately and quickly, that we took the time to go over any premium changes, as well as quickly following up with you. Allstate also wants to make sure that we've provided you with expertise in explaining coverage options that best work for your situation, as well as offering to review your policy. We ask that you give us a score of 9 or 10, meaning that you're very satisfied with our agency. Anything less is a failing grade. And if for any reason you feel you can't give us a score of 9 or 10, then please contact us today so that we can resolve any issue you may have. Our goal is that you are 100% satisfied. Thank you for being a valued client. We appreciate being able to help you with all your insurance needs.